Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Unread, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to find unread emails on Gmail. So first of all, launch Gmail application on your mobile devices. Once you come here, you can see a hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now once you come to this menu section, scroll down below and you'll see the option of All Mail. Tap on it. Now on top, you can see various tags and categories. Swipe towards the left-hand side and you'll see the option of Is Unread. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can find all the emails that have not been read by you on your Gmail account. So this is how simply you could find your unread emails on Gmail account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.